everyone, thanks for checking out January's cake project. This month we're doing a magenta ombre fade with some beautiful geometric decorations on top. We're going to work on our painted skills, so we're doing a kind of cross-hatched crisscross painted effect to give us our ombre fade. We've worked with some gold highlighter paint, so that's a great way to add some sparkle and contrast and really draw the eye into your designs. And we've also introduced modeling chocolate. So it's a great product to use to make decorations, and it tastes a lot better than gum paste. And we've done some really stylized, beautiful modeling chocolate shapes that'll add some drama and some impact to your design.